Welcome to TradeTheNBI.com. This is John's report is for August the 5th. Well, we just kind of bounced around nowhere for good reason. I mean, we're still looking at fairly decent NBI readings, though we have magenta below yellow, but still right by the 33, just under it, though. If yellow falls below, then I think that the potential for more weakness is there, but you've got to see white rising, and it's got to get at least over 8 from a daily standpoint. Now, intraday, that can take place 50K or otherwise. We'll see it first that way. But as it stands, hasn't done it yet. And you can see the same problem here. Continuing lower shakeout histograms as we reach higher and higher levels, meaning that just plenty of sellers into the new buyers. Still, though, not active sellers, and that's what's keeping, in this case, NASDAQ clearly with magenta. So you can see the discrepancy between the two, and effectively where they land between the ABM and the 100%. I mean, that's basically where we've been trading pretty close there, with an occasional dip down to the magenta level, but no threat to the 76% at all. From a gold standpoint, again, this is that, despite your inflationary pressures with huge migration and additional lockdown fears, no, it's not really a concern for the fact that no overheating is going to take place. And it's kind of helpful because if you reduce those areas that maybe were spiking for economic activity, pull them back, that will keep inflation at bay. You're still going to have shortages in that, but that would have taken place anyway, given the fact that you have more dollars chasing fewer goods anyway. From a euro standpoint, again, that's just going to fluctuate back and forth. The Eurozone is in no better shape in any way, shape, or form, and so from that instance, it's surprising that it's even as high as it is right there, and that's mostly because the Fed really wants it that way. Bitcoin was a little bit fun. We knew that we had positive extremes from when this spike took place, filled that back in, and then kind of based out to a new low, and then ended up with a nice strong magenta ride all the way to the peak. So again, we're just right back to the exact same levels, the 39, between 39 and 34. It's going to continue to play that way as long as the readings are what they are at this particular stage. And intraday was lackluster, to say the least, which is interesting given the fact that, it was new fund money coming in. Likewise today, being the 5th, you theoretically should start to see some of that application, and if you don't, that would be interesting, because that would definitely cause a change in the readings and would be a catalyst for bigger players deciding to wait for better pricing, per se. But we haven't seen that yet. As it is now, we just, every time we get predominant white override, we get up with our move back to 0%, and we just repeat. It's rinse and recycle is kind of the theme. But easy enough for us to see, so no objections to that. As always, though, I will continue to update details on the Skype chat. Trade well. We'll talk to you later.